This is Rhonda Schaefer hailing from Fairport, New York. Welcome. Today I'll be talking about worry and a technique for analyzing it from Dale Carnegie's Golden Book. At the end of this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to click on the notification bell so you know when I post more valuable content like this for you. We all worry at one time or another. It's pretty natural for us to do. It becomes a problem when our peace of mind is affected by it and when it prevents us from making decisions. So here is a technique to help you analyze worry by putting pen to paper. Write these things down. 1. Get all of your facts. 2. Weigh all of the facts. Then come to a decision. 3. Once a decision is reached, act on it. 4. Write out and answer the following questions. What is the problem? What are the causes of the problem? What are the possible solutions? What is the best possible solution? Once you have these things on paper, it will make a world of difference in adding objectivity to your final decision. So with that being said, if you found value in this information today, be sure to like, comment, and press the subscribe button now so you will get informed of future videos. If you are looking for information about affiliate marketing, just scroll down for the links. Thank you for joining me here today. This is Rhonda Schaefer from Fairport, New York.